I'm Tony Brown. I'm the Marina Director at Porto Montenegro. Porto Montenegro not only benefits from its location central to the Mediterranean, but also for its close proximity to the mouth of the Boka Kotorska, which is Europe's southernmost fjord.
Currently we have 250 berths, and we can accommodate boats of up to 100 meters. Our Yacht Assist team is providing a full range of services to all clients regardless of the size of the vessels. In the season 2014 we are going to have another 220 berths.
Although located within the Boka Kotorska, Porto Montenegro has a very strategic position only 7 miles from the entrance of the bay. This offers unrivaled protection from the elements.
I find Porto Montenegro to be a fantastic place. It has great availability for an international airport. It's only 5 minutes down the road. There is access for all major cities around Europe.
Another fantastic thing about being here in Porto Montenegro and being based here is that we've got plenty of access to the nearby Eastern European countries. It's also quite accessible from Western Europe and all over the world, with many different hubs like Dubrovnik nearby, Podgorica and Belgrade being very close by.
The Boka Kotorska has had a very rich naval history dating back to Austro-Hungarian times. This has allowed Porto Montenegro to benefit from existing infrastructure to create one of the safest home ports in the Mediterranean.
Various services such as diving activities, black and grey water disposal, oil waste disposal, and so many of those could be also done in Marina Porto Montenegro.
In Porto Montenegro we offer duty-free fuel to all yachts regardless of type of registration and flag, provided that they leave upon completion of bunkering and have all documentation in order. With customs permission we can even accommodate yachts in the marina for up to 24 hours from the time bunkering is complete.
Here in the port they have a great service with shuttle buses, excellent restaurants, really good fun activities for the crew to partake in, and for provisioning the yacht and from the chefs to the stewardesses, for everyone it's really quite ideal.
I've been lucky enough to have been here for 2 years now. I've had access to all of the wonderful facilities here in the port. Thankfully close by, which is accessible by bicycle, skateboard, rollerblade, however you like. We've got a swimming pool not too far away. We've got plenty of shops here, a supermarket, we have clothing stores, a couple of nice little bars, restaurants, everything that we need. And just outside we've got a sports club available to all of the crew and to the owners and to everybody that's welcome here in Porto Montenegro. My name is Bo West. I'm the first officer on board Motor Yacht Golden Eagle here in Porto Montenegro.
My name is Kosmas Sakalidis. I'm the fuel bunkering operations manager of Porto Montenegro for the last 4 years.
Nikola Banovic, Marine Operation Manager.
My name is Nick Ryan. I'm the captain of the sailing yacht Shamrock 5.
Welcome to Porto Montenegro.